Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Herbal Heroes series, your front row seat to the world's most powerful plants. Some herbs make a loud entrance, but thyme? It whispers its magic. With its delicate leaves and woodsy aroma, thyme adds depth, healing, and history to whatever it touches. Whether steeped in soup or tied into a bouquet garni, this tiny plant has played a mighty role across cultures and kitchens. Let's take a closer look at the herb that's quietly stood the test of time. From roasted veggies to lemon-thyme chicken, thyme brings out cozy, savory notes that feel like a warm hug for your taste buds. It's subtle but powerful, layering in earthy depth without stealing the show. You'll find it floating in stews, tucked into marinades, and nestled in spice racks around the world. One sprinkle, and your kitchen smells like dinner's about to be something special. But thyme's magic isn't just culinary, it's ancient. Thyme was once burned in Egyptian temples as sacred incense. Roman soldiers carried it for courage, and in medieval Europe, it was a bedtime charm to chase away nightmares. From ritual to remedy, thyme was more than seasoning. It was protection, power, and peace. Who knew a little sprig could carry so much symbolism? Thyme grows low and steady, hugging the earth like a fragrant carpet. It thrives in dry soil and full sun, making it a tough little herb with a love for heat. Whether in garden beds or kitchen pots, thyme stays compact and lush. It's a true plant it and love it kind of friend. Low maintenance, high reward. And when it comes to flavor, thyme has quite a few personalities. Common thyme is woodsy and minty, perfect for savory dishes. Lemon thyme adds a bright citrus twist, making it great with fish or roasted veggies. Creeping thyme, while often used as ground cover, also sneaks into teas and herbal blends. Whether you're cooking or sipping, there's a thyme for every time. Thyme is rich in thymol, a natural compound with antibacterial, antifungal, and even respiratory benefits. Inhaling thyme steam can help soothe coughs, and thymol is a common ingredient in mouthwashes for a reason. For thousands of years, it's been trusted as a natural defender. Science is finally catching up to what ancient healers knew all along. Tiny but mighty, thyme is loaded with vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. Just a teaspoon of dried thyme adds a boost of wellness to soups, salads, and stews. It's one of those rare herbs that supports your immune system and makes your food taste better. Who says you can't season and strengthen at the same time? Thyme stars in French bouquet garni, Middle Eastern za'atar, Jamaican jerk, and classic chicken soup. It blends seamlessly into spice mixes and broths, adding flavor without fuss. No matter the region, thyme finds its way into comfort food. It's a quiet global traveler with a passport full of recipes. From fairy folklore to Shakespeare's plays, thyme has danced through history in more than just kitchens. It symbolized bravery, protection, and even helped call fairies into garden circles. Herbalists once filled entire books with its uses and secrets. It's not just a plant, it's a storyteller. So how do you bring out thyme's best in your own kitchen? To strip thyme, just pinch and pull backward along the stem. Add it early in slow-cooked meals so the flavor can mellow and bloom. To dry it, hang bunches upside down. It keeps its flavor beautifully. With a few simple tricks, thyme becomes your aromatic ally in the kitchen. From ancient temples to modern stovetops, thyme has seasoned food, healed bodies, and lifted spirits for centuries. It's a link between past and present, flavor and folklore. Just one sprig connects us to something bigger. Now that's timeless. Feeling inspired by the quiet power of thyme? Subscribe and keep exploring the herbs that nourish and delight.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.